currently 5:25. We're on the way to the south of the Brecon Beacons for see some waterfalls. 4 waterfall trails. I've just had a massive big storm. There's going to be a lot of water coming down these waterfalls. We thought we'd go and get a nice early start, beat everyone there, and yeah, it is 7:15. We've just because of the storm last night, there's trees down everywhere on this path. Massive trees uprooted, so we've had to do a bit of climbing before we started. But yeah, it's a nice easy route. There's nothing spectacular. Just come and see what the water flow's like after a couple of storms have gone through. So yeah, should be interesting. Car parks completely empty apart from 2 campers. They've obviously been here all night. Fair play to them, because the trees that have been uprooted are fairly big. There's been some serious winds over the Brecon Beacons last night. But yeah, see the waterfalls. Only a lot of water coming through there. Hopefully, even more the next one, and then get a bit more water coming down. The dog got soaking. He loves it. But yeah, just making our own little route there now, because yeah, we always stick to the main path. So I'm doing a little route around. Just cross the river at some point. It's still there. Well, that was fun. The route I took there last time, on the side of the right side of the river, and down, there's about 5 or 6 trees down. So me and Otis had to scramble up the hill back on the path now. And we're sorry sheep. Heavens have opened on the way back. Yeah, it's a nice hour and a half walk or so. Get the blood moving on a Saturday morning. Yeah, we were going to go up, we wouldn't go to Fan Far, but it's just the weather's just too bad. Not going to bother. Head home and back. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.